Yeah,
Yes.
complete that.
How many events have you joined this year? What were they about?
I have joined more than 10 events so far, most of which were about education.
What was your memorable event?
The most memorable for me was an international study conference in which I was introduced to some famous universities in Europe to study overseas.
What was it uh,
Was it
Organized.
organized indoors or outdoors?
It was an indoor event.
Who sponsored the event?
The event organizer was the Education Department of American Center, but the universities introduced in the conference was the one who paid.
Who went who went to the event with you?
Just I went there with my friends who shared the same interest in studying abroad as me.
What were some performances in the event?
There was not many performances. Each university spent uh, represented representative just had a speech to introduce their school to students, and then they host Q&A session.
Was the event show on TV?
The event was not aired, but there was television apartment for it.
How would someone market an event?
Taking advantage of social media is a smart way to promote an event.
Yeah, okay, thank you. So one more pair. Hello, Tanin, do you hear me, Tanin?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, so Student Mekala, do you hear me? Mekala?
teacher.
Okay.
Yeah, teacher.
So Mekala, you read questions and Tanin, you read answers, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Wait. Like now you have to write down. Yeah, some words on the screen. Okay, so start now.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
teacher me or not?
who? Who said me or not? Student Mekala, right?
Yeah, teacher.
Yeah, you read questions.
Yes. How many events has you joined this year? What were they about? Sure, I can see.
I have joined more than 10 events so far. Most of teacher
Which were
all which were about education.
what was your most memorable events?
The most memorable for me was an international study conference in which I was introduced to some famous universities in Europe to study our science.
Awesome. Was it organized indoors or outdoors?
It was an indoor event.
Who sponsored this event? The event?
The event organizer was the Education Department of American Center, but the universities introduced in the conference. In the conference were the one who pay.
Who went to the event with you?
I went there with my friends who share the same interest in studying abroad as me.
What were some performance in the event?
There were not many performances. Each
Performances.
university
Performances.
Performance.
Each university
Read
represented
stronger than this. Tanin. Read stronger. Loud.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, louder. Read like a baby, you know.
Yes, teacher. There were not many performances. Each university representative just had a speech to introduce their school to students, and then they hosted question and answer session.
Was the event show on TV?
The event was not aired, but there were television advertisements for it.
How would someone make it an event?
Taking advantage of social media is a smart way to promote an event.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. So when you
Thank
see
you.
the screen, yeah, you see some words on my screen, right? Yeah. Lay that can I have you already copied to your notebook? Read them not yet. But I guess that not yet. បានច្រឡងចូលសភៅហ្នឹងអ្នកណាខ្ញុំប្រាប់មិញឲ្យច្រឡងចូលសភៅបានច្រឡងដែរខ្ញុំឃើញអង្គុយអត់ច្រឡងអង្គុយមិញ Yeah
ឡើងស្ដាប់មើលគេឆា
Yeah ច្រឡងទៅមិញខ្ញុំឲ្យប្រាប់យើង
អាន
Okay ឥឡូវ Yeah ខ្ញុំឲ្យយើងច្រឡងមិញខ្ញុំប្រាប់ឲ្យច្រឡងទៅពេលអានចប់យើងចប់ហ្មងព្រោះពាក្យនេះពួកគាត់រៀនបានហើយពួកគាត់រៀនហើយតែនៅសិស្សថ្មីអត់ទាន់រៀនឥឡូវយើងអានណា Okay So I would like Mr. Kang Hae to read. Hello, Kang Hae. Can you read some words here? Yeah. Yeah, read words. Even.
What may
Here.
yes, sir. Even slow internet so slow, sir. Again.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, okay. Even in the even in kind is no No water.
Yeah, okay. So sister will say you read.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, please read all words there.
Evan, educate, educator, education, perform, performance, speak, representative, promote, promotion, advantage, disadvantage, organize, organizer, organization. Thank you, teacher.
Yeah, thank you. And then Hiên Mẹ Khả.
Yes,
Can you read?
teacher.
Yeah.
Yes. Even, educate, educator, education, perform, performance, speech, representative, promote, promotion, advantage, disadvantage, organize, organizer, organization.
Organization. Okay, and then Kakada.
Event, educate, educator, education, perform, performance, speech, responsive, promote, promotion, advantage, disadvantage, organize, organizers, organization.
Yeah, thank you. And one more, I would like Dana to read.
Yes, teacher. Even educate, educator,
Educator.
educator, education, perform, performance, speech, representative, promote, promotion, advantage, organize, organizer, organization.
Yeah, okay, so listen to me all together. Okay, Lakna, put your pen down. Okay, and everyone listen carefully. Okay, and then you can watch or review the videos about the lesson today. Okay, so first event here, the sound and t. Event. This one educate. The sound t. Educate. Educator or educator. Educator. Education. Okay, can hear? Listen carefully. Turn in. Education.
Yes.
Perform. Perform. Performance. The sound CA, the sound S. Performance. Okay? Clear one? Make that? And here speech. Speech. Representative. Again, representative, not tative. Representative. And then promote. Promote. Promotion. Promotion. Advantage. Advantage. Disadvantage. Disadvantage. Organize. Organize. Organizer. Organizer. Organization. Organization. Okay, one clear, right? Okay, events. What does it mean? Events in Khmer.
កម្មវិធី
កម្មវិធី được có ព្រឹត្តិការណ៍ yeah ព្រឹត្តិការណ៍ and then educate it is verb was it in Khmer educate everyone
អប់រំ
អប់រំ yeah អប់រំមិនមែនអោបហើយរំទេណា yeah បានតែផ្ដល់ការអប់រំ okay ផ្ដល់ការអប់រំបណ្ដុះបណ្ដាល yeah okay educator បានអ្នកអប់រំអ្នកអប់រំសំដៅលើតែគ្រូឬក៏មិនដែរ educator នេះសំដៅលើតែគ្រូឬក៏យ៉ាងម៉េចមានអីផ្សេងតំណែងផ្សេងដែលយើងអាចរាប់ចូលជា educator បានទេ សិក្សាវិស័យ educator នឹងផ្ដោតលើតែគ្រូឬក៏តំណែងក៏ទូនទីផ្សេងអាចជាយើងរាប់ជា educator បានដែរ
អ្នកបកគោលអីគ្រូបកគោលអី
ជា educator ដែរមែនទេ
ចា
ចុះគ្រូបង្វឹកហៅ coach មានទៀតមាន presenter បានន័យថាម៉េច presenter អ្នកធ្វើបទបង្ហាញមែនទេtrainer ជា educator ដែរអត់ពាក់ព័ន្ធនឹងការផ្ដល់ចំណេះដឹងដែរអត់ទេជាអត់កំហែង trainer
យ៉ាងមក
ចូលក្នុងវិស័យអប់រំដែរអត់
ដូចគ្នា
Yeah,
Đôi khi
the same. Yeah. Okay. គាត់ជាអ្នកបណ្ដុះបណ្ដាលឧទាហរណ៍ថាគាត់ជា expert ដូចយើងឃើញមាន expert ទៅលើបណ្ដាញសង្គម Facebook ក្នុងសង្គមយើងក្នុងប្រទេសខ្មែរមានគ្រូដែលពួកគាត់ជាគ្រូអាជីពហើយគ្រូមាន license ជាគ្រូសាលារដ្ឋហើយប៉ុន្តែពេលខ្លះពួកគាត់នៅខ្វះខាតពាក់ព័ន្ធ technique គ្រូកុសលបន្ថែមឬក៏គាត់ត្រូវការរៀនពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹងយ៉ាង leadership ពាក់ព័ន្ធនឹងហើយគេschool principal school manager school director school business អញ្ចឹងពួកគាត់មករៀនវគ្គបណ្ដុះបណ្ដាលជាមួយ trainer តោះទេអញ្ចឹង trainer ធំដូចថាពួកគាត់មានបទពិសោធន៍ក្នុងវិស័យអប់រំហ្នឹងរាប់សិបឆ្នាំដូចអង្គការពេជ្រវឡែនផ្សេងទៀតឧទាហរណ៍ដូចលោកគ្រូខឹមសុខេងតោះទេចឹងគាត់មាន soft skill គាត់មាន technique គាត់មានបទពិសោធន៍ល្អជាច្រើនដើម្បី train ទៅកាន់trainees តោះទេចឹងគាត់មិនមែនគាត់ទេពួកគាត់ក៏ជា educator ដែរអូខេបន្តទៀត education បកថាការអប់រំអូខេperform was it perform in one
សម្ដែង
performance ការសម្ដែងokay speech
ពាក្យសម្ដី
representative
អ្នកតំណាង
yes អ្នកតំណាង promote បានមានលើកស្ទួយមែនទេpromote ធ្វើឲ្យរីករាលដាលធ្វើឲ្យព័ត៌មានហ្នឹងរីកសាយបើគេ promote ផលិតផលគេធ្វើឲ្យផលិតផលហ្នឹងរីកសាយឲ្យអតិថិជនស្គាល់កាន់តែច្រើនតើទេpromotion ការធ្វើ promotion ហ្នឹងបានធ្វើឲ្យគេស្គាល់ពីផលិតផលពីសេវាកម្មហ្នឹងឲ្យការច្រើនដោយការបញ្ចុះតម្លៃឬក៏ free អូខេពេលខ្លះគេ free ដែលឃើញតាមផ្សារទំនើបមានយុទ្ធសាស្ត្រទីផ្សារផ្សេងៗគ្នាពេលខ្លះគេឲ្យយើងចូលទៅហូបម្ហូប free ឧទាហរណ៍ថានៅ Eon 2ខ្ញុំឧស្សាហ៍ជួបណាអញ្ចឹងគេមានធ្វើមីហឹលឥឡូវនេះគេពេញយកមីហឹលអញ្ចឹងគេធ្វើមីហឹលឆុងឲ្យគេឲ្យអ្នកដើរកាត់ហ្នឹងភ្លក់មួយចានតូចឬក៏មួយកូនកតូចតូចហ្នឹង free ពេលយើងឆ្ងាញ់យើងធ្វើខ្ញុំចង់ទិញបើខ្ញុំចង់ទិញមីទិញអាណានោះមកទៅខាងនោះតែហើយទៀតឲ្យសាកប្រហិតដល់ខ្ញុំដើរលេងហ្នឹងដើរគេឲ្យសាកបានមួយកូនកែវមិនកែវជួយកូនចានជួយទៅសាកទៅកូនសាកដែរពេលសាកឡើងថាឆ្ងាញ់ស៊ុំមួយណាឆ្ងាញ់ជាងមកចំណោម3នេះមួយឆ្ងាញ់ជាងគេអូខេអញ្ចឹងទិញយកមួយហ្នឹងណាអញ្ចឹងគេធ្វើ promotion discount បងទិញអានេះបងទទួលបានការចាប់ឆ្នោតយករង្វាន់មួយទៅមានឆាត់អូខេមានប្រាប់ដាក់ខាសេមានអាវយ៉ាងទៅbla bla អូខេចឹងគេហៅ promotion អូខេ advantage គុណសម្បត្តិមែនទេផ្ទុយពីគុណសម្បត្តិគឺ disadvantage បកថាគុណវិបត្តិអូខេ organize ជា verb បកថារៀបចំ organizer អ្នករៀបចំក្នុងកម្មវិធីមួយបើសិនជាគាត់មានតំណែងជា program organizer ឬក៏ party organizer គាត់សំខាន់ណាស់អ្នករៀបចំកម្មវិធីសំខាន់មែនតើបន្ទាប់ទៀត organization នេះថាពាក្យជា noun បកថាការរៀបចំឬក៏មួយទៀតបកថាអង្គការ Okay one មួយទៀតបកថាអង្គការ Get it one Okay so that's all for this And then we go to the topic yesterday about Paris, right? The one? The topic yesterday. 17. Paris here. Yeah, so I would like some of you to read. Let me check the name. Yeah, hello, Panywan. Hello, Panywan. Can you read with Citra?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, hello, Panywan. Do you hear me? No?
Now I'm busy.
Okay. Yeah. So, Kang Hei, you read questions. Kang Hei?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, please read.
On what organize do people in your country cover Peter?
There are many occasions was once before throws party such as a New York event, wedding, engagement, family,
Family reunions.
reunion party is, but sometimes people host party just when they meet up. What everyone want to have something fun to do.
Are you a party animal?
Yes, I am. I'm crazy about going to party. I love meeting friends, drinking and talking.
When do party often start at and finish?
It depends on what kind of party it is. I believe the perfect time to have
Time.
time.
Yeah.
Okay. I believe the perfect time to have a party is on the event from 8 to
11 p.m.
11 p.m.
Yeah.
Where are the party to?
They are held inside or outside some formal event like wedding, housewarming, and organized inside where other like family cái chơi mấy reunion and birthday may be held outside. Reunion.
What do you usually when you come to a party?
I often wear casual clothes like a t-shirt and jeans. If I go to informal party, I dress for formal one. Formal one.
What do people do in the party you're around?
Hỏi ôn. As the party people talk, eat and drink together, some go there to find business.
Opportunities.
And the news part.
You can pronounce opportunity. And
Yes,
then with S, IS, you have to pronounce opportunities.
Opportunities.
Yeah, and then Kang Hei, do you
enjoy drinking alcohol at the party?
Yes, a little bit can cheer me up.
Do people have to bring anything to the party?
It's not required, but sometimes visitors bring some gifts to show their love for the host.
Just group. Why do people, actually the young, love going to party?
It's just a good way from the them to chill out after a long day. Thank you, teacher.
Yeah, thank you. And then, Kakada, Chun Kakada, you read with Lakna. Lakna, you read questions. Okay.
What occasion do people in your country celebrate parties? There are many occasions when people throw parties such as New York Eve, wedding, engagement, family reunion, birthday, each. But sometimes people hold parties just when they meet up the event to have something fun to do. Are you a party animal? Yes, I am. I'm crazy about going to parties. I love meeting friends, drink and talking. Do parties often start and finish? It depends on what kind of party it is. I believe the perfect time to have a party is in the evening from 8 to 11 p.m.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much for your reading. Okay, so now let's translate all together. Okay, one. You need to get some words, but yeah, so words we can learn after. Yeah, I can drop words after. And then you can learn some words from the video or meet me tomorrow. But now I need to translate and just point out some keywords, okay? What I mean one? Yeah. So here,
Yeah, teacher.
on what occasions do people in your country celebrate Paris? Occasions here the same chance ឱកាសគេសួរថាតើនៅក្នុងឱកាសណាខ្លះដែលប្រជាជននៅក្នុងប្រទេសរបស់អ្នកប្រពៃពិធីជប់លៀង There are many occasions when people throw parties such as New Year's Eve, wedding engagements, family reunions, birthdays, etc. But sometimes people hold parties just when they meet up and want to have something fun to do. បើថាម៉េចកន្លែងហ្នឹងគឺមានឱកាសជាច្រើនណាស់ដែលប្រជាជនក៏មាននៅក្នុងប្រទេសរបស់ខ្ញុំប្រពៃពិធីជប់លៀងមានដូចជាបុណ្យឆុងឆ្នាំ New Year's Eve ឆុងឆ្នាំ ឆុងឆ្នាំសកលwedding engagements ពិធីភ្ជាប់ពាក្យ right family reunions ការជួបជុំគ្រួសារខួបកំណើតលក្ខប៉ុន្តែពេលខ្លះមនុស្សម្នានោះប្រកបធ្វើពិធីជប់លៀងគ្រាន់តែនៅពេលដែលប្រកបជួបជុំគ្នាហើយចង់សប្បាយរួមគ្នានោះទេ Are you a party animal បាទ animal សត្វតែកន្លែងនេះគឺចង់សួរថាតើអ្នកចូលចិត្តកម្មវិធីជប់លៀងខ្លាំងដែរឬទេមួយទៀតហៅងប់ងល់ Okay វក់ឬក៏ងប់ងល់ Yes I am yeah crazy about going to Paris បាទមែនហើយចាពិតមែនហើយខ្ញុំឈួតនឹងការចូលរួមកម្មវិធីបាទឈួតហើយហ្នឹងគាត់ចូលចិត្តខ្លាំងមែនតើណា Hey crazy គាត់ចូលចិត្តខ្លាំងមែនតើហ្មងនិយាយផឹកវិញមួយអាទិត្យមួយអាទិត្យចានដល់សៅរ៍ផឹករាល់ថ្ងៃOkay អ្នកណាផឹកដែរអ្នកណាក៏ party ដែរតើណាបើគាត់និយាយអញ្ចឹងណា party រហូតset ក៏ party ហេងក៏ party អ្នកនៅចិត្តហ្នឹងដោះអាពោះប៉ុនពីងOkay Yeah, I love meeting friends. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តជួបជុំមិត្តភក្តិ drinking បាទចូលចិត្តញ៉ាំ Yeah តែ drinking មិនមែនញ៉ាំទឹកទេធម្មតាជួបមិត្តភក្តិមិនដែលជួបជុំមិត្តភក្តិញ៉ាំទឹកសុទ្ធទេ Yeah ភាគតិចហ្នឹងមែនទេតោះតែពួកគាត់តមស្រាលថាអស់ទឹកប្រមាត់នេះទៅដូចមិត្តភក្តិខ្ញុំខ្លះគាត់អស់ទឹកប្រមាត់ផឹកខ្លាំងពេកអស់ទឹកប្រមាត់ដាក់វិញ្ញាលេងកើតស្រាលលេងកើតគាត់ទឹកសុទ្ធតែជាទូទៅតែជួបគ្នាគឺ drinking នឹង B ហើយស្រាវិញ្ញាហើយនឹងចែកគ្នាលេង Okay everyone Yeah when do parties often start and finish តែពេលណាដែលកម្មវិធីជប់លៀងនេះលក្ខណៈពហុវចនៈគេនិយាយនេះចាបដូរពី party ចាប់តែ Y ទៅ IES ហ្នឹងបានជប់លៀងកម្មវិធីជប់លៀងច្រើនហើយគេសួរពេលណាដែលកម្មវិធីហ្នឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមចាចាប់ផ្ដើមហើយបញ្ចប់ទៅវិញជារឿយៗគឺម៉ោងណាដល់ម៉ោងណា It depends on what kind of party it is វាអាស្រ័យទៅលើប្រភេទកម្មវិធី I believe the perfect time to have a party is in the evening ខ្ញុំជឿជាក់ថាពេលវេលាដ៏ល្អបំផុតដ៏ល្អខ្ចោះគឺពេលល្ងាចចន្លោះពីម៉ោង 8 ដល់ម៉ោង 11 យប់អូខេអានេះកាំងហេងអ្នកកណា where are the parties thrown
Yes, teacher.
where គេសួរតើកម្មវិធីជប់លៀងភាគច្រើនគឺគេប្រពធ្វើនៅទីណា They're held inside or outside បើគេអាចប្រពធីទាំងអស់នោះនៅខាងក្នុងបាននៅក្នុងផ្ទះក្នុងដីក្នុងរបងគេឬក៏អាចធ្វើខាងក្រៅក៏បានដែរខាងក្រៅធ្វើណាធ្វើនៅតាម pub ណានៅ Sky Bar នៅ pub KTV អ្នកខ្លះគាត់ birthday គាត់ធ្វើនៅ KTV មិនឲ្យទៅ KTV ហ្នឹងដល់ទៅនឹងអោបហ្នឹងឯងអត់ទេណាអ្នកខ្លះគាត់ជុំគ្រួសារគាត់ក៏ខ្ជិលលៀងចានជុលធ្វើម្ហូបអញ្ចឹងគាត់ចូល KTV ជុំគ្នាចំណាយប្រហែល500ក៏1000ជុំគ្នាទៅឲ្យគេរៀបចំមកចប់ច្រៀងកាឡាខេនឹងស្រាប់អត់ថ្លង់ដល់គេអត់មានបណ្ណាប្តឹងបណ្ណាអីទេមែនទេ Okay some formal events like weddings housewarmings are organized inside while others like family reunions and birthdays may be held outside okayចឹងឡើយនេះពួកគេអាចធ្វើពិធីក៏ប្រពៃទៅក្នុងផ្ទះក៏បាននៅខាងក្រៅក៏បានដែរព្រឹត្តិការណ៍មួយចំនួនដែលជាផ្លូវការគឺគេដូចជាកម្មវិធីការពាកម្មវិធីឡើងផ្ទះថ្មីណាគេហៅឋានថ្មីហ្នឹងគឺគេរៀបចំនៅខាងក្នុងប៉ុន្តែកម្មវិធីផ្សេងទៀតដូចជាការជួបជុំគ្រួសារកម្មវិធី birthday ដែលខ្ញុំនិយាយមិញណាគេអាចធ្វើនៅខាងក្រៅបានដូចទីជើនិយាយមិញគឺអាចធ្វើនៅតាម pub នៅ club ពេលខ្លះនៅ club គេធ្វើ birthday ទៅនៅ Sky Bar នៅកន្លែងណាដែលមើលទៅរ៉ូម៉ាទិកគេអាចទិញកញ្ចប់ពិសេសចឹងណាអូខេ and then what do you usually wear when you come to a party តើជាញឹកញាប់អ្នកស្លៀកពាក់បែបម៉េចដើម្បីចូលរួមឬក៏នៅពេលអ្នកចូលរួមកម្មវិធីជប់លៀង I often wear casual clothes like a t-shirt and jeans if I go to informal parties and a dress for formal ones ហើយថាជារឿយៗគឺខ្ញុំស្លៀកពាក់សាមញ្ញដូចជាអាវយឺតខោកបយប្រសិនបើខ្ញុំចូលរួមកម្មវិធីហ្នឹងមិនមែនជាកម្មវិធីផ្លូវការធំប៉ុន្តែបើសិនជាកម្មវិធីផ្លូវការគឺខ្ញុំស្លៀករ៉ូបយ៉ាងណាជាផ្លូវការអូខេ So everyone we need to keep it here and tomorrow we need to continue from this okay the translation we are going to continue from what do people do in the parties you attended okay one
Yes.
okay thank you